Hello, good morning students. Today 13th of October, 8th all sections A, B, C, D polynomials. New chapter is polynomials. What do you mean by polynomials? Before giving the definitions of polynomials, I am telling you about, you already have done the concept of this polynomials in class 6, that is introduction to algebra, or in class 7, that is algebraic expressions. So in class 6 we have to find the addition and subtraction of the different algebraic expressions, and in class 7 multiplication of monomial, binomial, trinomials, different kinds of expressions. Now in class 8 we have division of the following expressions. So what is polynomials? This is your algebraic expressions. What do you mean by algebraic expression? It is a combination of constant and variables separated by some fundamental operation is called an algebraic expressions. Kind of expressions: monomial, binomial, trinomials, and so on. So what is a polynomial? In class 8, polynomials, an algebraic expression in which the exponent of the variables are non-negative integer is called a polynomial. An algebraic expression in which the exponent of the variables are non-negative. Non-negative integers mean positive integer. It means exponent of the variable is only your positive integers, then it is a polynomial. Otherwise it is not your polynomial. It means the power of your variables or exponent of your variable is only your positive integer. It is neither your a fraction number or negative integers. Okay, so this is called your polynomials. And polynomials with only one variables. It is not two variables, only one variables. So here are some examples of polynomials: x square plus 2s plus 3, x square. All are algebraic expressions, but here first one example is your polynomials with variables x. Although second is also a polynomials with two variables, but in our syllabus we have polynomials with one variables. So this first expression is your polynomials with one variables. Yes, here exponent are positive, powers are positive: 2, 1 and 0. 2, 1 and 0. Now next, all are algebraic expressions. Expression x square plus 2s plus 3. X square plus 2s plus 3 is a polynomial in the variable x. In the variable x. Expressions 2 and 4. Expressions 2 and 4 are not polynomials, because in expressions second and fourth, second is your negative exponent, and fourth one is your fraction with in a fractions. Exponent is there in a fraction. Y can be written as y raised to power root, can be written as y square. Here root y can be written as y raised to power 1.2. It means exponent is given in a fraction, so it is not a polynomial. If the exponent of variable is in fraction or negative integers, then it is not a polynomial, because exponent of a variable is always positive integers. So expression third is a polynomial with two variables, but in our syllabus we have only one variables. Here x and y are two variables, so that is although it is a polynomial, but in our syllabus we cannot consider two variables with polynomials. Only we have to take only variables, one variables. Now terms in a polynomial. Now polynomial is said to be one term, that is called monomial, two terms, binomial, three terms, trinomials, four terms, quadrinomials, and constant polynomial. One constant term is called your constant polynomials. One constant term, that is 4, 5, minus 10, minus 13, all are constant term and constant polynomials. These are the kinds of polynomials. Yes, expression having one term, two terms, three terms, four terms, and so on. Next, standard form of a polynomial. What is the standard form of a polynomial? So when the terms of a polynomials are written in decreasing order of the powers of the variable, it is called a polynomials in the standard form. For example, x raised to power 4, x cube, x square, x1, 0, 10, 8, 6, 4, 10, 8, 5, 1, 0. All are standard form of a polynomials. These are not standard form of polynomials because their powers are not given in decreasing order. Decreasing order means from greater to smaller. This one is constant 1, 2, 3. This is given in ascending order. So this is not your standard form of polynomials because the degree of the variables always written in decreasing order from greater to smaller. Then the polynomial is said to be in standard form of a polynomials. Okay. Now degree of a polynomials. How you can identify this is a linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials, and quartic or biquadratic polynomials. This can be identified because degree of polynomials, the highest power of the variable in a polynomial of one variable is called the degree of the polynomials. This is the polynomials with degree 4 and the variable is only x. This is called your quadrinomials. Next, degree of polynomials. If here the variable is m, power is 1, this is called your linear polynomials. M square minus 2m power is 2 is called your quadratic. M cube power is 3 is called your cubic polynomials. Here minus 5 power is 0, it is called your constant polynomials. M4 power is 4 is called your quartic or quadratic polynomials. Next I go for solve worksheet 1. Solve worksheet 1. So worksheet 1, find out whether the given expression is a polynomial or not, give reason. Now look here, 5x cube minus 4x square plus 1 upon 2 x0 power, this is a polynomial. Yes, because the power of the variable is non-negative integers. Here this is not your polynomial because the power of variable is given in a fraction. In this way you can give the answer reason. Okay, again this is not your polynomial 5x minus 1 upon x because 1 upon x can be written as x raised to power minus 1. Here the power of the variable is negative integer, it is not a polynomial. In first sum or second sum, write each of the following polynomials in standard form and also write the degree of its degree. So p raised to power 6 minus 8p raised to power 9 plus p raised to power 7 plus 5. This can be written as, yes, in standard form of a polynomials, highest degree first minus 8p raised to power 9 plus p raised to power 7 plus p raised to power 6 plus 5. This is the standard form of a polynomials. Similarly, the product of two binomials, and we can use identity fifth x plus a into s plus b, x square whole square plus a plus b x square plus a into b. This is equal to x4 plus minus 2 plus 4, 2 upon 3 x square minus 8 upon 9. So this polynomial is given in your standard form of a polynomials. So do and revise worksheet first, polynomials. Thank you very much. Have a nice